Okay, the purpose of this video is for you to be able to use evidence from your research and write a thesis from it. And a thesis is like basically it's your opinion to answering a question. It's going to need proof and it's going to address the basic question of the paper. Now, there's some qualities of a thesis. It's opinionated, it's limited in scope. You can defend it and it's going to outline the whole argument of the paper. Now, the general process to making a thesis is you're going to ask a question. You're probably going to do some research. You're going to collect some evidence. From your evidence, you're going to come up with some points, and from those, you're going to generate your thesis. So I'm going to model this process with Dr. Square looking for a house. So that's his question. The next thing he's going to do is he's going to visit some homes. This one, it's over on Flag Hole Road. This one's on Shady Lane, and the other one is on the Black Tar Street. Now, for this one house, he finds all these. He's going to collect all this evidence. You can see it's got some interesting features about it. It's got some mold. It's got 5 acres of land. It's got a good school district, built-in bureaus in every bedroom. Now, from this, you're going to tend to look for some points, some things that you like, or not necessarily like, sorry. With homes, it'd hopefully be something you'd like, but pieces of evidence that kind of fit together to make a larger. All right, for example, it's got several secret passageways. It's got a big basement, or it's got a basement, a swimming pool, and the previous owners' hoarders, and it's got pets, right? These 5 pieces of evidence support the fact that the house could be a lot of fun. All right, fun's getting covered up there, but the house could be a lot of fun. These 5 points 5 pieces of evidence support that point. Then you're going to look for other things it's got a garden, big, a lot of square footage. It's got views of a mountain, 5 acres of land, and a swimming pool. These 5 things support that point that my family loves the outdoor stuff, and it's going to provide opportunities for my family to access the outdoors, which is going to be great. And then there's other commonalities or things that are not so good about it. It doesn't have a dishwater, it's got mold, needs a paint job, it smells. These things, plus the 3 pets, all those things support the idea that it's got some small problems. Now these three small points allow us to come to an answer. And that answer really is our thesis. And it is that this is the house for me because it meets my family's outdoor needs, has only small problems, and it's a huge potential for fun. And that's the general process of how we'd go about making a thesis. You look for evidence, you make a point based upon the evidence, another point, and that all puts together into a thesis. And your idea is, these points are going to have multiple pieces of evidence to support them. I hope that's been helpful.